Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Gunati, and today we're going to be talking about what is HTML. Right now, we are not really going to go too deep in explanation of HTML because there are several resources out there that you can learn about HTML. Right, and I'm going to put some link in the description below, so check that out. But now, what is HTML? Now, HTML is an acronym for Hypertext Markup Language. Okay, now let's just look at what Wikipedia has to say about HTML. Now, according to Wikipedia, HTML, which is the hypertext markup language, is a standard markup language for documents designed to be displayed in a web browser. Okay, so you can check this out to get more explanation down here. And then the markup language actually means to control the display of the documents or to enrich its contents to facilitate automated processing. All right. So what this actually means is that HTML presents content to a user in a logical manner and also to control the information that is being presented to the user. All right. So that's just it. Now, HTML is one of the three fantastic technologies used to build a website. So we have the HTML, we have the CSS, and then we have the JavaScript. Now, when these three technologies are combined together, we can build an awesome website, just like what you're seeing here. Now, this is made with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Now, what the HTML does here is the write-up you're seeing here. That's HTML. How to organize this write-up so it looks good. That's the HTML. Now, the CSS is the aesthetic, the beauty of this website. The organization of the website, that is the CSS. And also we have the JavaScript. Now, if you look at this, the cars are dynamic. Okay, so what makes these cards to move because of what we have as a JavaScript. Okay, so the JavaScript make it to be. And now, the next thing you're going to know about it, HTML are made of tags. Okay, like we said, HTML is the structure of the website, so they work with tags. Now let's go back to the Wikipedia page. Now, if you right click and then you click on view source page, it will open a different web page, which is the HTML page of this particular website. Okay, and this is actually what made me to fall in love with programming. There was a time I was online, and then I mistakenly right clicked and then click on this, and then I saw the source code, and that was when I was eager to know more about programming. All right, so let's look at this. Now, if you look here, you have the body tag, and then down here we have the h1 tag, which is for the headings. Okay, now if you look here, we have the HTML. If you go back to this other side, you find out that the HTML is this one here. That's the h1, and then coming down we have the paragraph, we have the p tag, we have div, we have the unordered list here. Come down, you have the anchor tag, which are the a tag. You come down, we have more tags. We have h2, you have h3, and then I think we have h4 up to h6. Okay, so these are the tags that make up the HTML, which is the markup language for our website. Okay, now let me go back to this other site. Okay, so looking at this site, let's do something here. If I should open the source code of this site, and then I right click, I select all of them, and then I comment all the CSS out, this is how the page is going to look like. No beauty, no color. Looking at this image, you see that the image is bigger. This was the logo. This is the logo, or it's now big. And then the site is no longer organized. Okay, so that's the function of the CSS. The CSS makes the site to be beautiful, makes it to be organized. Okay, now let's undo the comments. And watch what will happen. If we undo the comments, finally the site is gonna come back to it was before. So what this means is the CSS is what gives the website the beauty of the website, the aesthetics of the website. Okay, now for JavaScript, if you go to some website, you find out that we have some pop-up that says welcome to this website. And that was made possible because of the JavaScript. Now if you also look at this, you see this card moving. Okay, now without JavaScript, this will not be moving. So this is what JavaScript does to a website. All right, so we are really going to go into CSS and JavaScript in a later tutorial. So for now, this is the end of this tutorial. Now quickly, HTML means hypertext markup language. So up next, we'll look at HTML syntax. Okay, so if you have any question, put it down in the comment section below. And don't forget to subscribe, like and share the video. And also put on your notification button so that you can receive any new video that we'll post in our YouTube channel. Thank you. We'll see you in the next video.